Concentration. Concentration upon the work in hand is necessary even when the art of note taking has been acquired. For unless the general trend of the discourse is followed, together with the grammatical construction of the sentences, the transcript, owing to looseness of speech met with everywhere, will sometimes be indifferent and possibly misleading. Special attention should be paid to the speaker's tone of voice and any peculiarities of speech or manner which may render his meaning clear, though he may not express himself properly. Any habit preserved in becomes automatic, and the mechanical writing of the shorthand characters is fortunately no exceptions to the rule. When experience has been gained, attention can be concentrated almost entirely on the matter. But as in writing an important letter in longhand, some portion of the attention, slight but nevertheless valuable, is devoted to the calligraphy and punctuation. So, should this be the case in writing shorthand?